In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to a Miro canvas in Chrome. To get started, open your Miro canvas using the Chrome browser. Make sure you're already on the board where you want your images to appear, because anything you upload will be placed directly onto that canvas. Using Chrome helps keep the experience smooth and consistent, especially when working with web-based tools like Miro. Once your canvas is open, look over to the left-hand menu bar. This is where you'll find the main tools for adding content to your board. In that menu, click the upload button. If you don't see it right away, take a second to scan the toolbar carefully because it's the option that lets you bring files and images into your workspace. After you click upload, you'll be given a few different source options for your images. You can choose files from your local storage if the images are saved on your computer. You may also have the option to upload from Google Drive, which is useful if your files are stored in the cloud and you want to access them without downloading them first. Another option is Unsplash, which lets you bring in high-quality stock images directly from within Miro. Choose the source that matches where your image files are currently stored. Next, select the image or images you want to use. If you're choosing files from your computer or from Google Drive, browse to the correct folder and click on the files you want. If you're using Unsplash, search for the image that fits your needs and select it from the results. Take a quick moment here to confirm you've picked the right files before moving on, especially if you're uploading multiple images at once. When you're ready, click Open. Miro will then import the selected images directly onto your canvas. Depending on the size and number of files, this may happen instantly or take a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, the images will appear on your board and be ready for you to move, resize, and organize as needed. That's all it takes to upload images into Miro using Chrome. If you're adding several visuals to a board, it can help to place them neatly as you go, so your canvas stays organized and easy to work with.